VLOOKUP allows you to combine two sets of data by searching for a specific value, usually a unique identifier like a customer name or ID, and displaying another piece of information associated with that value, for example, revenue or cost data. Here we have a tracker sheet for client marketing campaigns with a unique campaign name. We also have exported marketing data with a campaign name and many other data points. For the first sheet to display the spend of each campaign, we can use a VLOOKUP, which has 4 parts. Firstly, select the unique identifier between the two datasets. Second, select the data range that contains the value you want to look up. Here, you can select all data in the exported sheet. Next, select the column number in that data. Here, spend is located in column 3. Finally, select false to display exact matches only.